What language do they speak in Cork? Have you ever wondered what language you might hear while wandering the charming streets of Cork? Well, you are in for a treat. In Cork, the primary language spoken by most people is English. This is the everyday language you will encounter in homes, shops, schools, and public life throughout the city and its surrounding areas. However, Cork is also part of a region where the Irish language, known as Gaeilge, holds a special place in the hearts of many. Irish is a native Celtic language of Ireland and is still actively spoken in certain areas of County Cork, especially within designated Gaeltacht regions. These Gaeltacht areas include places like Muskerry, which covers lovely villages such as Kilnamartyra, Ballyverney, Cooley, Ballingeary, and even Cape Clear Island. In these communities, Irish is often the primary language for daily conversations among native speakers. In total, County Cork has approximately 14,800 Irish speakers, with around 3,600 of them being native speakers living in the Cork Gaeltacht. Outside of these areas, many people learn Irish as a second language. Schools known as Na Gaeltacht promote the language, making it accessible to younger generations. If you are interested in immersing yourself in Irish culture, Ballingeary is a notable spot. It hosts an Irish language summer school called Gaeilge na Mumhin, where you can dive into the language and culture through engaging experiences. The Irish spoken in Cork belongs to the Munster dialect, which has its own unique characteristics that set it apart from the dialects spoken in other parts of Ireland, like Connaught or Ulster Irish. This adds an extra layer of richness to the linguistic heritage of the region. For travelers visiting Cork, English will be the most practical language for everyday communication. However, you might come across Irish in signage, cultural events, and local conversations, especially in Gaeltacht areas. Many locals appreciate it when visitors show interest in the Irish language, even if it is just a few simple words or phrases. So, while English is the dominant language in Cork, the Irish language remains a vibrant part of the area's identity, especially in specific rural communities and educational settings. This dual-language environment truly enriches the experience of traveling in Cork and throughout Ireland.